In this video, let's see how to copy and manage integration keys and settings for Zapier and Shopify. Click on Settings in the navigation bar. Select Integration Settings from the Settings menu. Then, locate the Zapier authentication key. Copy the Zapier authentication key by clicking the copy icon next to it. Go to Zapier and paste this into Zapier to connect it with Easify. To connect with Shopify, click on Log into Shopify Admin in the main content area. In the integration settings, copy the webhook URL by clicking the copy icon next to it. A notification will confirm that the URL has been copied to your clipboard. Paste this into Shopify to connect it with Easify.